Okay, so we all want to eat and we all want to stay healthy, right? But sometimes it feels like the guidelines for food safety keep changing. So we're going to try to make things a little bit clearer today by taking a deep dive into the latest research on food safety at home.
Yeah, we've gone through a lot of material to try to really understand the key things that people need to know. I think it's so easy to feel overwhelmed.
So let's simplify. Let's break down the basics. Where do we even start?
Honestly, it all boils down to two pretty simple ideas: clean and separate. If you can master those two things, you're really well on your way to preventing foodborne illness in your own kitchen.
Clean and separate. All right, so let's start with clean. Now, we all know we're supposed to wash our hands, but the research really emphasizes this idea of 20 seconds. Why is 20 seconds so magical?
Well, you're right. It's easy to just give your hands a quick rinse and think that that's good enough. But what happens in those 20 seconds is that the soap has enough time to actually break down the outer layers of a lot of different bacteria.
Oh, I see. So it's not just about getting the dirt off, it's about actually giving the soap time to work.
Exactly. And I think it's also important to remember when you're supposed to be washing your hands. Obviously, before you start handling any food, but also during food preparation if you switch between tasks, and then again after you're done,
Mm,
especially if you've been handling raw meat, poultry, or seafood.
right. We don't want to be spreading those germs around. Okay, so we've covered our hands. What about surfaces and utensils?
Yeah, that's another really key area. It's so important to be washing your cutting boards, your utensils, your countertops.
Wait, you mean after every single thing that I cut?
Ideally, yes.
Hmm.
After each food item you use it with, you should be washing it with hot soapy water. This helps prevent what we call cross-contamination.